Good morning, students. Welcome to the digital learning class to the fourth standard social studies class. In last class, we have learned minerals and ores and metallic minerals. In this part 2, we will learn non-metallic minerals and conservation of mineral resources. First, we will see non-metallic minerals. Minerals that do not have a metallic shine and break easily are called non-metallic minerals. Like coal, petrol, natural gas, sand, gypsum, mica, limestone. These are called non-metallic minerals. These minerals are used in different industries. Gypsum is used in cement industry. First, we will see one by one coal. Coal is an important natural mineral and source of energy. It is still largely used as fuel in India for domestic purpose such as cooking and heating and generating thermal power. Coal deposits are found in Jharkhand, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. Now comes crude oil or petroleum. This valuable and useful mineral is also a very important source of energy. It is found in a thick dark form in the deep interior part of the earth and under the seabed. Very deep oil wells have been constructed in order to extract crude oil or petroleum from the oil reservoirs. Most of India's oil reserves are at Mumbai High on the western coast. See students, this is Mumbai High oil refineries. Petroleum is also found at Digboi in Assam, Kambat and Ankleshwar and Kolal in Gujarat, which have large reservoirs of petroleum. The extracted crude oil or petroleum is then refined by removing impurities from it in refineries. In India, we have refineries in Mumbai, Chennai, Kochi, Mangalore and Goa, where crude oil is refined to obtain petroleum and petroleum products. Cooking gas, kerosene, petrol, diesel and petroleum jelly are some of the products of crude oil. Petroleum also as fuel in cars is commonly called petrol or diesel. Petroleum is also called the black gold. Many other products such as dyes, paints and drugs and chemical are the byproducts of petroleum. Now comes conservation of minerals. We all depend on natural resources for our survival, like sunlight, air, wind, water. Do not get exhausted and are thus called the renewable resources. However, mineral resources are present in limited amount in the earth crust. It takes thousands of years for the formation of coal or petroleum, and they are thus considered to be non-renewable resources of energy. So we must therefore use our mineral resources wisely and do not waste a chance to conserve them. So students, here is finish our